A little bit to your left, yeah. More to that side. More. 1 second. Yeah, it's not very practical, but the only thing I can do it, man. Yes. I think if I put the pallet, should be enough space now. You see, up. So the pallet should stay. Anyway, it's not very big pallet, so yeah. I just have to put the tires on top.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, a little bit more to that side. Yeah. More. You can lift it more if you want. Is a space like that towards me? Is a space like this much?
I think it's okay now.
Well,
It's good.
as long as it's there, it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, but look, it sits okay on it.
Yeah. It's not moving anywhere. Here is not moving, it's okay. So I'll just open the other side.
Yeah, we'll
But
see what we can
also I got this for you. You see? 1 second. Oh. I think it's the whole pallet in the box as well.
They didn't say anything about unloading you, but if you say that it's for us, how
Yeah.
am I supposed to
Yeah.
lock it?
Well, I think if you take it with the forklift, this rubber it will go a little bit there anyway. What is inside? Is heavy? Yeah. Or if you try to push this little bit to that side, like 1 inch. Yeah, I know it's very unpractical because those guys were not in the warehouse, so no one. I waited half an hour, so no one came to unload. It's just one of them days, you know. It used to be another driver. They just called me up. Can you do this job? I'm with the agency, you know. So it's just.
You've never been here before.
No. That's why it took me a lot of time to find it. Because on the paperwork it says something about brake engineering.
Yeah, it's 3 different names.
Yeah. Doesn't say like ZF. Like
ZF or
yeah.
TRW.
Yeah. That's why it took me a lot of time. Well, I can take the box down. You see, here it says TRW brakes. It's fine. I'll just put aside. I think it's this pallet as well. Yeah. Hi. If you try to go further, maybe it will be possible. Yeah, try now. Hop. No.
It's
No.
too heavy.
Only that pallet, if you can lift it up and... Yeah, I know, it's very... I need something like these tires anyway, so I might put to my car, you know. I think should be okay now. Why in the world they done it like that? I don't understand.
No chance. What I can do, I can try to shift it.
What if you take this down and then
I can try, but again, it's that tight. I don't want to damage the other luggage now.
Yeah.
I can try to take it down.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can do it, but
I think that's the only way. Like, lift this up, then take the other one and. I will try now. I will just go up. Second. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think more. Yeah, more than this. Yeah, should be alright now. Just go. Oh, sorry. 1 second, mate. I'll try to get 1 second. It will go now. Yeah. Yeah. Should be okay now.
why do they give you such a small lorry? Just so from your company used to come a massive lorry every day. There wasn't any problems then.
Yeah.
They should give you different job than this.
Yeah, yeah. This is how they put it, you know, like I wanted to refuse the job in the morning, you know. Honestly, I didn't want it.
Yeah, of course it's not your fault.
Yeah. Cause was like I just turned in, no induction, no anything, just give me the key, just paperwork, and that's it.
Yeah, you are not the first driver of this company to complain.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
No, I told to my agency, I said I do it today, no more. Yeah.
Because it's fucking annoying and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Now I try.
Should be alright now. Hey!
Absolutely ridiculously tight.
Yeah.
Would be good if you wanted to be a milkman in the morning.
Yeah, that's for crane, you know, the big crane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hop. I'll just open the side curtain. So obviously no one is happy, but what can I do, mate? It's just I try to do my best. That's the truth. Cannot say it's a good day. Cannot say that. It's just what it is. I'm trying to do what I can, and fuck it. Come on. those people, they want to go home as well, so you know, it's not very practical. Okay, let's take the curtain down. Op. 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 Yeah.
I try this way first.
Should be alright.
I go the other way.
1 second. 1 second. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I remember some time ago.
Yeah.
We had exactly the same situation with your company that they sent a fresh starter, by the way, new driver.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, you know, don't blame the driver because if they're not inducted, as you said, they had no
Yeah.
idea how
Well.
to do the stuff. But then they send him in that fucking van again. It's not a lorry, it's a van.
I had few items without any labels on it, so
Yeah.
I just had to open it and have a look what it is and try to ask the customer like what you expecting, you know, like yeah.
Right, I go one more.
Yeah. Yeah.
So either I put it across the way over there, or I can fill that gap.
Yeah.
on the other
Here,
side.
here, if you can.
Here or
Yeah.
here on the other side.
Here, if you can on here, should be alright. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
It's a regular Euro pallet, so it's more
Yeah.
narrow.
Should be alright. Okay. Oop. Should be okay. Doesn't really matter too much. It's just hop. Fucking. Just those tires to place on air. And everything should be alright, I guess. Okay. I'll try to drive slowly as I can. It's just hop, that's it. That should do.
I pushed them fucking tires on the other side. I need to have a look.
Should be okay.
Yeah, it's uncomfortable with me as well.
Yeah, should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be fine. I've got some paper for you, yeah?
If I damage the load, then it's my fault.
It's not damage, this is rubber. You can put the hammer and it's okay. Yeah. So that's one. 1 second to find the other one. I think there were two. So it's collection. Thank you so much for helping, yeah?
No problem, my friend. No problem.
Right there, tell them to fuck off.
What's the date? 27?
27, yeah.
27 time?
Time doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's
Just name and signature anyway.
5:15 p.m.
Yeah, and this,
In good condition, yeah.
let's just say. Thanks a
Okay,
lot,
now, my
mate.
friends.
Thank you so much.
Nice to
Appreciate
meet you, my
it.
friend.
Nice to meet you. Good man.
Well, have a safe trip.
Hopefully.
I think that the tires will be sticking out a little bit, but
On the other side is as well, but as long as it's inside, that's fine. Yeah.
there was no other fucking chance to
Yeah. It's okay.
Tell your boss to get that fucking truck and shovel it up to his ass.
Yeah.
Fucking useless.
Good idea. Thank you. See you. Take care, man. So finally someone understands me. Finally. Come on. I don't have time to waste. It's just ridiculous. I just have to put that on the middle. Should be okay. Should be alright. So here I done the strap. Here I